Dana Osgood has our Friday forecast. Today I saw people in t-shirt and shorts and full jacket and pants, and both seemed appropriate somehow.
I know, it really kind of was like that right in between where you aren't quite sure what to wear. We had a little bit of sunshine in western Maine today, but that meant we also popped up a few thunderstorms. But elsewhere in the state with some more cloud cover, especially in northern Maine, that's where we saw some more of those stratiform showers. So in general, lighter showers, and then a couple of thunderstorms over areas in western Maine where we were able to pick up some sunshine. Right now, none of these are severe warned storms. We just have some heavy downpours and a little bit of lightning areas near Rangeley and Rumford, and then another cell down by Rochester. And then areas in northern and eastern Maine is where we saw some of that stratiform today. So overall, some light showers will be continuing to move northward within the next few hours. So our high temperatures today, definitely a bit on the cool side out there, especially along the immediate coastline. Only 57 in Rockland today, 59 was the high in Bar Harbor. Now you can kind of see where we were able to get some sunshine, especially areas back into New Hampshire. We're able to get into the mid 70s today. So I'm going to feel a little bit like a broken record while we talk about this forecast, because as long as this area of low pressure sticks around, the forecast is generally going to look the same as we get later into the week. So tonight, still a couple of those thunder showers hanging around as we get late into Friday night, and then Saturday morning could start with a little bit of sunshine in areas in western Maine, while some of those showers and storms linger in northern Maine through Saturday morning. And then the weekend is going to feel very similar. So Saturday afternoon, some peaks of sunshine, getting a couple of thunder showers in late in the afternoon. And the temperature forecast also becomes a little bit complicated, because if you get even a little bit of sunshine, temperatures will jump into the mid 70s. But if you end up with clouds throughout much of the day, it'll end up being a little bit cooler. So here's where we start with some sun on Sunday in areas in northern and eastern Maine. And then we have some more consistent rain along the southern coastline throughout Sunday afternoon. And then we'll kind of continue once again into those just scattered showers throughout the afternoon, Saturday, Sunday, and even as we get into Monday too. Again, similar forecast where if you see some sun, temperature's a little bit higher. And then if you have more clouds, temperature is going to be a little bit lower. Now it's going to take a while for us to kind of break out of this pattern, but once we get into Tuesday, that's when we'll start to see some improvements. So this area of low pressure, as long as it meanders right along the Canadian border and is hanging around us here in Maine, that's where we're going to see this unsettled weather, which will last throughout the weekend until about Monday night. And then Tuesday is when we'll start to clear out a little bit, which means we're slowly going to be warming up. So it's kind of pretty easy to see where we're going to have this area of low pressure throughout the weekend. And on Monday, temperatures a little bit cooler. And then once that area of low pressure moves out, temperatures returning to above average. Marine forecast seas 2 to 4 feet, water 56 degrees. So here's a look at our 7-day forecast. So we're still kind of stuck in this showery pattern. Now I do want to emphasize that it's not going to be raining the entire time this weekend. You will just want to keep that umbrella handy, because it will have those on and off showers throughout the day. And then Brian and Amanda will start to break out of this pattern about the middle of the week next week. And then the next system that we're watching for might bring us some showers on Friday.
Okay.